Interzum Guangzhou is one of Asia's largest and most influential trade fairs for woodworking machinery, furniture production, and interior design. Serving as a dynamic intersection of innovation, technology, and business, the event provides a valuable platform for manufacturers, suppliers, designers, and industry professionals to showcase their latest products, materials, and technological advancements to the fast-growing Asian market.
Welcome to ilikevents TV, your gateway to the world's top exhibitions and trade shows. Let's explore today's event.
With a strong focus on smart manufacturing, advanced materials, furniture fittings, and sustainable production solutions, CIFM Interzum Guangzhou offers a comprehensive environment for networking, knowledge exchange, and market expansion.
For companies aiming to enter or strengthen their presence in China and across Asia, the exhibition acts as a strategic gateway to connect with global leaders, explore emerging trends, and drive future growth in the woodworking and furniture industries. Interzum Guangzhou is an event, and I like events.
Want to join this event? Check the link in the description for tickets, hotels, and booth services. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to stay updated with global events.